Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, we have learned about the sentence, right? So, we have already done the practices of exercise A, then exercise B. Yes, we have done, right? Now, today we will know what is a subject and predicate. Okay, subject and predicate. Okay, all of you open your textbooks. Open your textbooks, page number 62. Page number 62. Okay, open. Let's know what is a subject and predicate. Okay, hope you all watched the video that I have sent in the previous class. Now, see what is a subject? The person or thing which is spoken about in a sentence is called a subject. So, subject is the person or thing which in a sentence. Okay, the subject is the person or thing which is spoken about in a sentence. Okay, and the predicate is part of the sentence that makes a statement about the subject. Okay, subject predicate is part of the sentence and it will tell what the subject is. Okay, students, see one example. Ram is going to the market. So in this sentence, what is a subject? Yes, you are right. Here, name. What is? Ram is the name of a person here. So I told you that what is a subject? Yes, subject is person or thing. So in this sentence, what is? Ram is a person. So this is subject. And what is predicate, students? Yes, it is part of the sentence. The remaining part what? He is going to the market. This is predicate. Understood, students? See, practice part for this. See, underline the subject in these sentences. Okay, we have to underline the subject. See the question. Sam collects reptiles. Sam collects reptiles. So in this sentence, what is a subject? Yes, you are correct. Some person, right? So underline some. Next, my friend's dog seems restless. My friend's dog seems restless. Second one, what is the subject here, students? Yes, my friend's dog, right? Yes, my friend's dog is subject here. And what is the remaining part? Seems restless is predicate. Okay? Jean sneezed. Jean sneezed. What is the subject in this sentence? Yes, Jean, name, right? Underline. Next, see, are you ready? Are you ready? Here, what is subject here? Person? Yes, you. Underline you. This is subject. Okay. Here comes the Jerry. Here comes the Jerry. In this, person name or thing. Yes, Jerry. Is it? Underline Jerry. And next, see the next question. The young boy ate the red apple. So, in this sentence, what is subject here? The young boy ate the red apple. What is person's name? Yes, the young boy. Underline, students. The young boy is subject. I need help with this math problem. I need help with this math problem. So, what is subject here? I need help with this math problem. What is subject here? I, right? So, underline I, okay? See, next week my grandmother is coming. Next week my grandmother is coming. So, what is subject? Yes, try. What is a person here? My grandmother, right? So, underline my grandmother. My grandmother is subject, okay? My favorite month is May. Here, person, who? Yes, try. My favorite month. See, or thing, no? So, here, my favorite month is the subject. The main, my favorite month is the subject. And is my predicate, okay? My expensive new watch has stopped. My expensive new watch has stopped. So what is subject here? Yes, my expensive new watch, right? My expensive new watch is subject and remaining predicate. Okay, see the next D. Complete the sentences by writing a predicate. So we have to complete this sentence. Here subject is given. We have to write the predicate. Okay. See the first question. That shop. Yes. You can write your own, students. Yes, tell me. That shop. Yes. I will write my answer. You can write your own or you can write the same. Okay. That shop is next to my home or house. That shop is, write neatly, next, N-E-X-T, next to my, yes, house, H-O-U-S-E, house, full stop. See, that shop is next to my house. Students, you can write your own sentences, okay? Next one, see, the car. The car, right? Meaningful sentence you have to write here. I will write, the car is not starting. Is not starting. S-T-A-R-T-I-N-G, full stop. Okay. The car is not starting. You can write your own, but it must be meaningful. Or you can write the same that I have given. My dictionary. Yes, tell me. My dictionary. I will write like this. Is, my dictionary is with, W-I-T-H, with my friend. Friend spelling what? F-R-I-E-N-D, full stop. Okay. My dictionary is with my friend. Next. My house roof. Yes, what is the color of your house roof? You can write that. My house roof. My house roof is red in color. So I will write like that. Okay. My house roof is red in color. C-O-L-O-U-R, color, full stop. You can write your house roof color. Okay. Next. But the sentence must be meaningful. See the fifth question. Our school bus. Our school bus is. When will your school bus come? I will write. When our school bus. Okay. See. Our school bus will. WILL. Will come. 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 At 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Full stop. Okay. You can write when your school bus will come to your home. Okay. See, our school bus will come at 9 a.m. See the next. The Shoprix Mall. The Shoprix Mall. Is very big or small? I will write like this. Is very very big. BIG big. Full stop. You can write. Okay. The Shoprix Mall is very big. See here, students. I wrote my own sentences. You can write your own sentence or you can write the same. Turn the next page. Okay, before that, see types of sentences next. Let we know what are the types of sentences. Already this lesson I explained. Sentence video I sent. Types of sentences. What are they? And explanation all I given in the previous class. The main thing that you have to remember is a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark such as full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. This is full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Already this all I explained in our previous class. Okay, students, turn the next page. See. Practice. E. Write. D for declarative. IN for interrogative. IM for imperative. And E for exclamatory sentences. We have learned what is declarative sentence, what is interrogative sentence, and what is imperative and exclamatory. Right? So, see here, a declarative sentence can be positive sentence or a negative sentence. Means declarative or assertive sentence. We learn now. So these declarative or assertive sentence may be positive. Positive means he is kind, he is good, he is active, he is handsome. These are all examples of positive sentences. Okay. What is negative for this? He is not active. He is not handsome. He is not smart. So, these type of sentences are positive sentences. See here. He is kind. This is positive. He is not kind. It is negative. For negative sentences, we use not. Okay. See here. I want to be a writer. I want to be a writer. We have to write these in a, what we have to write? Yes. Which type of sentence is this? See, I want to be a writer. Which sentence is this, students? Yes, declarative sentence. So for declarative, we have to use D. Write down D. Next, please sit down. Please sit down. Which sentence is this? Yes, it is imperative. It is a request, right? Imperative sentence will remind us what? Request, commands like that, right? So it is an imperative sentence. So we have to write I am imperative. See, when are you going? Yes, this is a question, right? For question, what we have to write? Q, right? For question. Yes, for question we have to write. Yes, interrogative sentence this is. So, IN, right? IN. Interrogative sentence will ask questions, right? So, we have to write IN. Next, see. Do you know how the weather will be? Do you know how the weather will be? See, question mark. So, for question, what we have to write? Interrogative sentence, right? So, write down IN. Okay. Next. It is too dangerous to climb that mountain. It is too dangerous to climb that mountain. See, what symbol is this? Exclamatory. So, for exclamatory, what we have to write? This is an exclamatory sentence. So, we have to write E. Okay, write down E. Next. I got an A on my test paper. So, A grade this is, okay? I got an A on my test paper. See, what symbol? Yes, exclamatory. So, for exclamatory sentence, we have to use E. So, write down E. Okay, students, got? Write these neatly and send to me. F. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Okay. See here, students. I went to the shop. So, choices are given. Which type of sentence is this? I went to the shop. Is this interrogative, declarative, exclamatory or imperative? Tell me, what type of sentence is this? I went to the shop. Yes, it is declarative sentence. So give tick mark to declarative box. This box. Okay. See next. Where is your father? Which sentence is this, students? Is it interrogative, declarative, exclamatory or imperative? What sentence is this? Yes, you are right. It is interrogative. So give tick. Next. Eat some food for dinner. Eat some food for dinner. What sentence is this? Interrogative, declarative, exclamatory or imperative? Yes, this is an imperative sentence. So give tick mark. Next, shut the door now. Shut the door now. So, see, interrogative, declarative, then exclamatory and imperative. So what? Yes, it is an imperative. Command, request, all belongs to these. So, this is an imperative sentence. So, give tick imperative. Okay. Next, see. Stop that. Stop that. What symbol given here? Yes, exclamatory. So, where is exclamatory? Yes, here. Tick. Good. Now we completed this page. Now come, let's go to the next page. G. Rewrite the following positive sentences as negative sentences. So, these sentences are positive. What sentences are these? Yes, these are positive sentences. What we have to do? We have to write these into negative. I told you no, for negative we have to use not. For negative we have to use not. Let's try. Okay, are you ready? Okay, good students. See, turn that television off. Turn that television off. This is positive. So, we have to use this into negative. Okay, shall we write? Don't. Write down. Don't. D-O-N-T. Don't turn. T-U-R-N. Don't turn that. T-H-A-T. That television. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N. Television off. Okay, O-F-F, off. So now this is negative. What we added? Don't. Do means positive. N-T, negative. We added N-T. That is negative. Okay, don't turn that television off. Okay, see, she works hard. This is positive. She works hard. Shall we write this into negative? Okay. She doesn't D-O-E-S-N-T. She doesn't work W-O-R-K. Work. She doesn't work hard. H-A-R-D. Hard. Full stop. Okay. She doesn't work hard. Okay. She works hard. This is positive. We added negative word here. This is now change into negative sentence. Doesn't. Does means yes, positive. NT. That is negative. Doesn't. Okay. You are driving down the wrong side of the road. You are driving down the wrong side of the road. Okay. Shall we change this into negative? Okay. Okay. You are driving. This is positive. Shall we change this into negative? Near are we have to add not. Okay. You are not driving. D-R-I-V-I-N-G. Driving down. D-O-W-N. Driving down the wrong. W-R-O-N-G. Wrong side. S-I-D-E. Side. Wrong side of the road. R-O-A-D full stop. Okay. See here. You are not driving down the wrong side of the road. So this is negative now. Now see. Put that bag down. This is positive. Shall we change this into negative? Yes. Don't. D-O-N-T. Don't put. P-U-T. Put. Don't put that. T-H-A-T. That bag. B-A-G. Bag. Down. D-O-W-N. Full stop. See? Don't put that bag down. Okay? Now see. My friend bought me a ring. My friend bought me a ring. Okay. See fifth question. This is positive. We can change this into negative. Okay. See, my friend my my friend friend, my friend didn't didn't buy buy me a ring. ring, full stop. See here students, my friend bought me a ring. So negative, my friend didn't bought, present tense, buy me a ring. Okay, buy, bought. This is past tense. Now by present tense. Okay, so my friend didn't buy me a ring. Okay, see, write a letter to your parents. Write a letter to your parents. Yes, don't write D-O-N-T. Don't, W-R-I-T-E. Write, don't write a letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter to your, Y-O-U-R, your parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, full stop. Okay, see, don't write a letter to your parents. Okay, this is negative. Write a letter, positive. We use here negative word, that is don't. Raja is an honest worker. Raja is an honest worker. So, shall we change this into negative? Okay. Raja, R-A-J-A. Raja is not, N-O-T, not an honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest worker, W-O-R-K-E-R, full stop. Okay, Raja is not an honest worker. See, draw the water from the well. Draw the water from the well. This is positive. Shall we change this into negative? Okay, how can? Don't, D-O-N'-T, don't draw, D-R-A-W, don't draw the water, W-A-T-E-R, water, from, F-R-O-M, from the well, W-E-L-L, full stop. Okay, see, pick up that stray pup. Okay, pick up that stray pup. Shall we change this into negative? Yes, don't, D-O-N-T, don't pick up, P-I-C-K, don't pick up that, T-H-A-T, that stray, S-T-R-A-Y, stray, pup, P-U-P, pup. Okay, stray means what? The dogs that are roaming outside, through the streets. Those dogs are stray dogs. Here, stray pup means small puppies. Okay. clean that dirt on the floor. Clean that dirt on the floor. Shall we change this into negative? Okay. Don't, D-O-N-T, don't clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean that, T-H-A-T, that dirt, D-I-R-T, dirt on the floor, F-L-O-O-R, full stop. Okay, now we successfully completed this chapter 1 sentence. Okay students, you have to write this neatly in your neatly in your term textbook, grammar part place. You have to complete this and send to me through this WhatsApp group. Okay, have a nice day students.